What's your name?
Cooper Myers,
Primary?
voice, bass, baritone.
How many years did you attend camp?
2.
How did camp help you prepare for attending FSU?
It definitely just showed me how tough and intensive being a music major is, but also showing how fun it is and just how much you can create in a short amount of time.
Are you in touch with any of the teachers or friends you had while at camp?
Yeah, I made some of my best friends in the music world at camp, and one of the teachers that I had a profound impact on me.
Did you know you wanted to major in music, or did camps help you decide?
I was on the fence for commercial music at the first camp, and then by the second camp I knew I wanted to be a music teacher. So,
Do you have any advice for campers or future FSU students?
push through and don't listen to the haters. Major in music.